In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor and how to place an image behind a section so your email looks polished and on brand. A quick note up front. Background images can look great, but not every email client displays them the same way. That's normal in email design. Aim for a high contrast layout and make sure your text is still readable, even if the image doesn't load. Start by signing in and heading to your Mailchimp home dashboard. From there, go to campaigns so you can work on the email you want to update. Find the campaign you have in mind, select it, and click Edit to open it. Next, choose Edit Design. This takes you into the email builder where all the content and design settings live. Inside the builder, click directly on the background area of the section you want to change. Don't click the text or image block inside it, click the empty space around it. That tells the editor you're working with the section styling rather than a specific piece of content. When the settings panel appears, open Section Backgrounds. This is where Mailchimp keeps the controls for colors and images that sit behind your content. Choose Background Image. You'll now see options to add one. If you already have the image handy, you can drop an image right into the window or click Browse to open your Content Studio. If you don't see a recent upload in your library, click Upload and select the file from your computer. Keep file size modest so your email loads quickly and prefer JPG or PNG formats. If the image is already in your library, click on a Recently Upload to select it. When you've picked the right file, click Insert to apply it to that section. At this point, look at how your text sits on top of the image. If the image is busy, consider using an image with softer contrast or more empty space so headlines and buttons remain clear. Many designers choose subtle textures or gradients for this reason. Also, background images are typically decorative. Make sure any crucial information is in live text, not baked into the image, so it remains accessible. That's it. You went to your campaign, opened the design editor, targeted the section background, chose background image, added your file by dropping, browsing, or uploading, selected it from recent items, and inserted it. Repeat these steps for any other sections you want to style, and your email will have a cohesive, professional look.